The REOLINK Home Hub Pro offers centralized control for up to 24 REOLINK security cameras, allowing seamless management of both wired and wireless devices. With a pre-installed 2 terabyte hard drive, this hub supports up to 16 terabytes of storage, catering to users with extensive video recording needs. The device ensures absolute privacy with AES-128 encryption, making it a reliable choice for secure offline recording and safeguarding against unauthorized access. Featuring a powerful 120 decibel siren, the hub promptly responds to AI-detected motion events, providing immediate alerts to ensure continuous security. Supporting up to 16 megapixel streaming, the hub guarantees crystal clear video playback, allowing users to capture and review detailed surveillance footage. Equipped with Wi-Fi 6 technology, the REOLINK Home Hub Pro delivers high-speed data transfer, ensuring lag-free performance and smooth streaming experiences.